Hello, algebra students. So here we've got the second slide of the Desmos activity where we're trying to solve for x, and we've got variables on both sides. I'm going to move my variable to the left side. Not that there's one right way to do it, but you just want to get your letters to be on one side of the equation and your constants to be on the other side. Negative 6x minus 8x is negative 14x. The reason I subtracted is because on the right side, 8x minus 8x is 0. So I have negative 14x plus 6 is equal to 4. Now I can type that into my table over here. Negative 14x plus 6 equals 4. Check mark because it is equivalent. Because in my first step I moved the x to the left side, I need to move my numbers to the right side. So subtracting 6 from both sides give me negative 14x equals negative 2, my next equivalent equation. Great, got another check mark. Last step, when you have a number touching your variable, you want to divide by that number. So I divide both sides by negative 14, and that is what my x value is. X equals negative 2 divided by negative 14. Now, of course, I could have done that slightly better. I could have said that's positive 2 over 14. That's also correct. I could have said that's 1 over 7. That's also correct. Or I could have typed in a decimal. Let's do one more problem at this difficulty level. Okay, so now I have a new problem. I'm going to delete all my work. I'm going to clear out the page. On the last problem, I moved my x's to the left side. I'll move my x's to the right side on this problem just to show a different way of doing it. When I see a positive 5x, I do minus 5x. Minus 5x from both sides. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 8 equals 6 minus 5 is 1x. X plus 1. Let's type that equation in. See if we get our little check mark. 8 equals x plus 1. That is equivalent. Then, opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. So we have 7 is equal to x. 7 is equal to x. There we go. So whenever you see an equation where you have variables on both sides, your goal is to get all those variables on one side and all of those constants onto the other side. So you can either subtract to move your variables to the left or subtract to move your variables to the right. If your variable term is negative, instead of subtracting, you'll want to add to cancel it out. In another video, I'll look at slide 3. Thanks for watching. Please ask for more.